रखना चाहिए कि कराची का एक रास्ता क्रीक से ही होकर गुजरता है।
After Operation Sindoor, India has entered a new era of military transformation. Silent, decisive, and unstoppable. From the Arabian Sea to the Himalayas, from stealth fighters to hypersonic missiles, India is rewriting the balance of power in Asia. This is the story of India's defense breakthrough, a story the world is watching closely, and China and Pakistan fear silently. The naval revolution, Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a statement that shook every naval strategist in Beijing and Islamabad. Every 40 days, India is adding a new warship, submarine or destroyer to its naval fleet. The Indian Navy is transforming into a blue water fighting force, capable of dominating the Indian Ocean region and beyond. Project 75-Y, indigenous submarines with AIP, air-independent propulsion, silent killers built for long-endurance underwater warfare. INS Vikrant commissioned, India is now among the few countries that can build its own aircraft carriers. INS Vishal plans, next-gen supercarrier, EMALS capable, fighter launch ready. Rafale-M deal, Indian Navy finalizing acquisition of 26 Rafale marine fighters from France for carrier operations, superior to Pakistan's JF-17 and a match for Chinese naval J-15S, indigenous destroyers, Visakhapatnam-class stealth destroyers armed with BrahMos, Barak 8, and state-of-the-art sensors. Project 76, 6 future indigenous nuclear attack submarines, SSNs, capabilities similar to UK Astute-class submarines. India is now building a deterrence wall in the Indian Ocean, one that locks China's navy inside the South China Sea and cuts off Pakistan's naval ambitions permanently. The Sky Dominance Plan India is preparing for 6th-generation air warfare. AMCA, India's stealth beast. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, is India's stealth 5th-gen fighter. HAL and Adani Defense are competing to build it. The aircraft includes stealth shaping, plus internal weapons bay, AI-assisted avionics, cyber-secured flight systems, super cruise and optional directed energy weapons, Rafale mega expansion. India plans an additional 114 Rafale fighters under MRFA. Negotiations include Make in India line, full production inside India. From Russia, Su-57 partnership talks. India is exploring Su-57 felon partnership with Russia for technology transfer. Possible local production in India for twin-engine stealth superiority. S-400 and Sudarshan Chakra Defense Shield. India's S-400 Triumph air defense system deliveries are nearing completion. DRDO developing Sudarshan Chakra, integrated shield, multi-layered defense network, protects Indian airspace from drones, cruise missiles, and hypersonic threats, uses Swordfish long-range tracking radar, integrates Akash NG XR SAM S-400 Barak 8 designed to outperform Israel's Iron Dome. Not just intercept rockets, but even satellite-level threats. The future is hypersonic India working with Russia on S-500 Prometei acquisition and joint production. Intercepts ICBMS can target satellites and hypersonic missiles. Range 600 kilometers. DRDO plus BrahMos aerospace testing. BrahMos 2 hypersonic missile. Speed Mach 7 to 8. India is now entering space defense and anti-satellite warfare. Border flashpoint, Sir Creek buildup. Something is happening near Sir Creek in Gujarat. Pakistan has started troop and artillery movements close to the marsh border. Their leadership made statements claiming Gujarat is next, but India responded with silent force. Indian Army deployments near Kutch sector. BSF and MAR-COS joint drills near Sir Creek waterways. Surveillance drones plus Israeli Heron MK, 2-target locking. Operation Meghdoot-like tactics spotted, India preparing preemptive high ground control if conflict begins. Pakistan may try to repeat their Kargil strategy in the west, but India is already 5 steps ahead. During Operation Sindoor, Pakistan fired PL-15 missiles at India. One landed almost intact on Indian soil. DRDO recovered that missile. Circuit boards, seeker housing, data logs, countermeasure modules. DRDO engineers tore it down, analyzed radar behavior and electronic countermeasure signatures. All the recoverable tech, including jamming and ECCM clues, was studied and abstracted at a systems level. Those lessons were fed straight into Astra's development. Astra received targeted upgrades, hardened seeker logic, improved electronic countermeasure resilience, and revised signal handling that reduced susceptibility to the behaviors observed in the recovered missile. The strategic payoff is clear. What Pakistan tried to use as an offensive strike became instead a technical windfall for India. Extracted, analyzed, and implemented by DRDO to strengthen India's indigenous missile capability. India is not preparing for war. India is preparing to prevent war by making the cost of aggression intolerable. The PL-15 that fell into Indian hands changed more than hardware. It altered strategy, accelerated indigenous capability, and rewired regional partnerships.